What is going on, you guys? It's your man, 2 Down Dan, back with another video. And you guys want the Ninja 500, so let's talk about maintenance, okay? Because once you buy the bike, there's a lot of things that you need to do. I mean, I wouldn't say a lot, but there's just a few things that you need to stay on top of maintenance-wise, so that you can keep your 500 in tip-top shape and keep it running as long as possible, you know? Because I've had mine for 9 months, daily riding it for 9 months, and let me focus, guys. Yeah, push outside here. Oh yeah, okay, nice. I don't want to get ahead of myself because I want to relax, take a second to sit back and talk to you guys, because I have a lot on my mind and I want to talk about maintenance. But before we get to the maintenance real quick, I just want to talk about updates for my subscribers, everything like that, because I have a huge update that I am so excited about. I've been working on this, probably, it's been a goal of mine since I started, and I just want to say we are now going to be getting 15% off on all NBT clothing products. Let's go. You heard it here first, baby. I said last video that 2 Down Dan code was going to start being good everywhere, and man, am I trying to make good on that promise by helping you guys out with 15% off on NBT clothing. If you need nice, hold on, let me focus, I want to split here. If you need good protective clothing for the street, that's also great for like working in, or like, you know, just going out and about and looking super stylish, dude. There is no better company in the motorcycle industry currently, in my personal opinion, than NBT. They knock it out of the park all across the board. Women's clothing, men's clothing, you name it. They have armored hoodies, they have armored jackets, armored jeans, armored cargos, and I want to just give a huge shout out. I know she's not listening, but Ashley Urso is the wife of Nick, who is the owner of NBT. And she is literally the reason, you guys, that I am getting to be an affiliate for NBT, that the whole partnership is happening so soon, and they are helping me out in my absolute time of need. As you guys know, I'm not as fortunate off as I've been before, so times are a little tough, and NBT is literally coming in and saving the day and providing me with a pair of the new Ride 2.0 cargos. I will put the NBT link as well as the link to these specific cargos in the description, of course, for you guys, always trying to hook it up. Just know that the 2 Down Dan code isn't active yet. I still haven't gotten the gear yet, and once I get it in, then we will you know, go back and talk to NBT and make sure that the code is live for you guys. But just know that as of right now, this is gonna come out on Sunday. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, end of your good weekend here, and just vibing out. So now that we've talked about the huge update in my world of things, and then also I just want to say, I was going to go to the South Oceanside Cars and Coffee meet today, and meet up with a few other Tramoto ambassadors. Shout out Tramoto, of course, you know, we always got our kit on us now that we're affiliated and riding every day. I am not going to get on my bike without my Tramoto kit. But we are out here racing back to the dealership where I bought my bike, because you guys, when it comes to maintenance, I do not do anything for this motorcycle except for the cleaning and lubing of the chain. That is literally it. I clean the outside of the bike, I clean and lube the chain, but other than that, I don't do anything. I don't do oil changes, and I don't adjust the chain slack. So one of the main parts of maintenance for the Ninja 500 or any motorcycle is just keeping your chain maintained very, very well, keeping it clean, keeping it lubed, and then also keeping it the right tension and the right slack, because if it's too loose, that could cause missed shift gears and everything. It's just gonna feel clunky, it's gonna feel horrible. If it's too tight, that also comes with its own problems. So one, I don't have the tools to get that job done. Adjusting the chain slack is a little bit different on every motorcycle. For the Ninja 500, to be honest, it's really not that hard. But the reason I don't do it specifically is because I don't have the proper, like bolts or whatever to literally take the like the rear axle nut off, and it's a pretty big nut, and I don't have jack to get that thing off. So, bro, if you don't know what you're doing and you're a beginner rider and you don't want to mess up your bike, then you're going to be in the situation that I'm in, which is you're going to be going back to the dealership for chain maintenance every 600 to 700 miles, respectively around there, to properly keep your chain adjusted. Of course, you don't need to go back for getting it lubed and everything, which I recommend doing like every 400 miles. You're gonna clean and lube your chain. But where I'm going right now is to get it tightened, and that costs 20 bucks. So like, am I really gonna get upset at the fact that I have to go spend 20 bucks to get my chain tightened and keep my bike in tip-top shape and think about that. So you got to do it every like 700 miles, right? And this gets 150 miles or so to a full tank. So you're probably going about 5 or so full tanks before you have to go get the chain done up or do it yourself. So it's really not a big deal, and it's super cheap. And if you do it yourself, it's kind of probably even like therapeutic and fun and enjoyable. So yeah, when it comes to maintenance, you got to do your chain. And we pretty much just covered everything when it comes to the chain. I'll also put my Motul chain cleaning kit in the description. So if you guys have no idea how to clean your chain, then grab a kit. Also grab a rear wheel stand, because you need to get the rear up so that you can spin the wheel. Do not turn your bike on while you're doing that, by the way. Some people have done that before and gotten their hands stuck in there, and they will tell you that that is not a fun day at all, brother. Horrible day. So we are getting closer to Fun Bike Center, which is always exciting, dude. I love going back to the place where I bought this bike. It is I am blessed that they gave me this bike. Like literally, even though I paid for it, I just feel like they gave it to me. Like I just feel like it's my dream bike. I feel like it was there, meant for me. And there's just so many things about this bike that I like am now thankful, forever grateful for. And the people here at Fun Bike Center are a part of that journey, a massive part of that journey. Austin specifically, sales guy here, savage, sold me my bike. If you need a bike, go to Fun Bike Center, ask for a Ninja 500, ask for Austin, or I believe his name is Armani. He's a savage as well, guys. And I'm probably gonna see him right here. And if you need service, Michael in Service has got your back. He's the one who helps me with mine. And I'm gonna pull up here nice and chill. Dude, I love pulling in to the back right here. But then, yeah, like, we were talking about maintenance, so you got to do oil changes and stuff like that. The oil changes. Oh, dude, hell yeah! Here we are, right here, guys. Fun Bike Center, right where we bought the bike. Literally, I remember to this day very vividly when they brought it out, and I sat on it for the first time. Forever grateful for Fun Bike Center, and I love coming back here every time. Like I said before.
and we're going to get the chain tightened up real quick. And then when it comes to maintenance, you got to do your oil changes like every, let me think. Okay, the manual is going to tell you to do your oil changes for the Ninja 500 after your break-in. So you got to get your 600 miles done. You do your break-in, and then after that, the manual says 7,000 miles, which, to be honest, you can follow that if you want. I mean, it's literally the manual, but in my opinion, you're probably going to want to go with every 4,500 miles or so. I feel like that's a great range in between the top end and the low end of when you should be changing your oil. And for me, I haven't had any problems with it so far. It's been running like a top at that frequency. So I think I'm at 7,700 miles. Hope you guys can see. And yeah, I mean, literally all great things, all great vibes. Still a little bummed I couldn't go to the South OC Cars and Coffee, but we're here. One opportunity closes, another one opens. So I was able to bring a video for you guys today, and we're going to get this chain done up. I would touch it right now and show you how loose it is, but I'm not going to do that with my glove. Do that with this. As you can see, that thing's moving pretty good, man. So we're going to get that tightened up. And, oh wow, we're going to get out of his way, that's for sure. But you guys, that is going to end it for today. Massive shout out to all of our brands and affiliates and our partners. They've been helping me out through this time of need. So massive shout out, as always, to 6061. If you need levers, go grab them. I'll link them in the description. Don't also just get levers. You'll get anything from their site. They have so much good stuff. They have exhausts. They have aftermarket parts. Whatever. 6061 has got you. Also, like I said, massive shout out to NBT, newest affiliate, 15% off. And we are getting some brand new cargos in. I'll review them, show you guys everything. And also, I barely mentioned it last video. There's just been so much going on. We are going to be getting on Monday the motorcycle pit mat that has all of the customization on it and everything. Those usually go for like around 190, and I was lucky to get a nice little discount on it, and as well, like I said, be a part of the affiliate team. So if you need a motorcycle pit mat, they will customize it for whatever bike you have. They will put the bike, they will put your name, anything you want. Boom, hit them up or come to me first and we can get in contact with them for you. But just have a great day, you guys. Please subscribe in the middle if you haven't already, or go watch one of these videos. I got options for you guys. Have a great day.